Alright guys, what's going on today guys? We're back with another video. And today we are in the family farm garage. As you probably saw from one of the previous videos that did not work. And it didn't work because we're in the middle of nowhere. So, that's why it didn't work. But we got these things called the Automatic Denominator Classic. I have no idea what that is. Zoom out. But here's the remote. Big door and then small door. And then they put the angle line up here for that one. But for this track, for the small door, they couldn't put it there because there's a garage door there. But we'll go ahead and start outside since we got it open. Got one of the two of the side-by-sides and then my cousin's four-wheeler. But go ahead and run it down. Just like super quiet. Back up. Oh. I don't know why it has to be so slow, but then it'll come over here to the small door. This door sticks, so hopefully it doesn't stick this time, but yep, it stuck a little bit. But it's one of those over-underlap things. And then there's like another shed that has a commercial opener. It's the one on the side, and it has like a 375 ET, I think is what it is. But so we'll have daylight. I'm gonna go ahead and run up the big door with button number 1. I don't want this video to be too long, so it doesn't cut off like it did last time. But I didn't cut off, but it wouldn't upload. And run down the small door. I believe it's this button. Yep. Oh, that's really bad lighting. It's probably going to be really bad lighting. Oh, there we go. Doors are super nice. See if there's anything on the side. That says what they are. They are made in the USA. It doesn't say what they are. Cumberland? That like a brand? I think it's a Cumberland door. It's the only thing that I can find. It's a Cumberland door. Yeah, that's the only thing I can find. So, I think it's a Cumberland door, but that'll be the end of this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.